Now we're going to go over something called TRAK CPFs. TRAK CPFs show progress for a particular class and a particular date range. So we're going to go ahead and click on TRAK CPF. Here we have to type in our teacher and period. We're going to use Miss Wayman German again. Now I'm going to pull this class's progress for last week so I see how they did. I navigate and I know last week is the 28th to the 2nd. So I'm going to fill in that data. I also need to make sure that this class type is correct. Miss Wayman German's Period 1 class is a Math Sys class. If I left it as Algebra 2, no data would show up because it's the wrong class. So I scroll down, pick Math Sys, and then hit Save Changes. After this file is downloaded, I can pull it all over to my desktop and then open it in Excel. Here it shows a list of the students in the left column. Up on top is a list of all of our courses. And in each column, it shows how many lessons that particular student did in that particular course. So we know for 6.1, Michael has finished because he has 2 lessons done out of 2 total. We can easily tell this by looking at the colors. If it's white with a number, that means they're completely done with that course. If it's yellow, that means they're only 1 away, which is a good sign that they're almost done. Red, on the other hand, is all the students that have less than that done. Here, after pulling this report, we can easily look at where most of our students are missing lessons. For instance, if we look at 6.5 in number sense, we see that only 2 students have completed this, and only 1 student is 1 lesson away from finishing. The others are nowhere near done. This is a good sign that they need to get caught up on this particular course. Over here on the far right, we see weekly lessons completed. This is a very important column because this shows how many lessons these students have completed, and the input and the date range. So for last week, I can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students who didn't complete a single lesson. This is very alarming to me, so I would use this information to make sure that we focus on these kids next week to make sure that they get caught up. After extracting this from our webpage, we can easily send these reports to our teachers. Every Friday, at the end of the day, I go through and pull these TRAK CPFs for all my teachers and email them out, giving them the weekend to look over if they want to, and then by Monday if they have any questions they can ask me. This is a good way to start each week, because then they know how well their students did the week prior or how poorly they did, and we can try to make sure that they do better the next week.